What are my people? Case I'm meeting me for the first time. I go by the name of Sibano, so the comedy son of comedy, Israel talkative, online Zadi. And we're here on Entertainment Crib, and I'm with
Magalicious baby one.
You and this year, we just here.
Yes, forget the
So ladies and gentlemen, the matter will come. We see they talk about the election. So because people don't even like some people online don't they trespass, they don't pass their boundary, and because celebrities, entertainers, they are supporting their favorite candidate, doesn't mean that that celebrity is hungry. Just take it or leave it. It doesn't mean they are hungry because they are okay. So because now people don't talk about some veteran actress supporting Tinubu and the APC candidate, because they say Obidients, Obidients, their fans, their followers, their people, they are talking because Joke Silva, Miz Jonhson, Awero, and others are joining for the Tinubu'S woman campaign team because they are joining them. It's a free word. We have people joining Obidients woman campaign team. That one, we have a lot of people joining Atiku campaign team. That one save day. So you doesn't, because you are obedient, you are not the only one that wants the best for this country. You are not the only one that wants the best. All of us wants the best for this country. But as I always say, that we don't know the right person. I'll keep saying this. We don't know the right person. The right person don't know himself. So we just have to give anybody your trial. Just give them your vote. Don't just say your vote. Vote wisely. That's it. Get your voter's card. Most of these people shouting, saying blah 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 blah. It doesn't, because some people don't. They can't see some comments. Maybe say people can't like their reaction. Because again, this one now, one lobby, you write online. He said Joke Silva just for my hand, as the saying goes, money answereth all things. It doesn't mean Joke Silva is okay. She's okay. If she want to relocate to any country, she get the money. She get the money. So it's not about. So this one, Ifeoma Emeli, this one say, I am disappointed with Miz Jonhson and Joke Silva. Have you ever told them you appointed them? Did you appoint them? Why are you disappointed in them? So I don't understand.
Are the people they are campaigning for not Nigeria? It's not Nigeria.
So I don't understand. So this one, Alterum, they say I just lost all respect for Joke Silva. That's your own. If you lost respect, she still have the fans. She has the money. If she sleep today, wake up tomorrow, her money is still her money. If you are fast before you the fast, that's your own problem.
They add to
so waiting your. I'm sorry to say.
Sorry, no verse say we they use that comment.
So one Miz Essa, this one say normally they don't care about the country. It's not about they don't care, they care. So you don't even care. You way they talk, you don't care. So they are all doing well. If they want to relocate now once, so I am not surprised if all of them let them make the list. It's see Peter Obi 2023 period. So another user say all good citizens of Nigeria should make a note of these names. There are some of people who have always sold their conscience for money, but they are now being revealed and want to sell your future for their stomach and greed. One House of Magdalene, this one right, say they have proven to us that they are hungry celeb. They would rather have broken system than a better Nigeria. Shame on them. This is a free and fair election, democracy time now we do. No be military man who got to say if I have the right to support anybody. I have the right to walk to anywhere. I have the right to speak. I have the right to do anything. So you don't dictate for us, or you are obedient. Emilio come. So if you articulate, That's your problem. So madam, please, what do you have to say? I don't know
what do you want to put inside this thing, because I don't say I'm saying don't become, because at the end no don't fight against people among us. we'll not take am like that. We don't dey take this thing too fast forward. Don't they make this thing look like say don't dey personal, not be personal stuff. We say na campaign, no. They never say that this person na him be the president. Let's wait until then. The truth still remains standard. Do not sell your vote. Get your voters card. Vote wisely. Vote for the person where you feel say this person when I vote for him, then go be the good person to rule this country. We go benefit every one of us. Whoever anybody you want to campaign for, please do not hold anything against that person. Not turn am to quarrel or fight between you and the person. Not say because this person don't they support or they don't they campaign or they don't they carry this person's name. I mean say the person they hungry. I be maybe the person no get or they work for money or they sell the country or they sell her conscience.
How much is your country?
Nobody sells conscience. Let's just pray that God give us the right person that will lead this country, that will take us to a better place. I beg you all. Please.
So let us see. Remember, just got to tell us I will give you feedback. Just like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It doesn't take anything to subscribe. We're going to give you feedback very soon. Just stay tuned. See you on Entertainment Creep.